Hi, in this video I'll show you how to light up and operate your Thetford oven. The first thing we need to do is go outside and check if we have enough gas in the bottle and that the shut-off valve is open. So here we are. This is our dial. It shows us there is about 1/3 of gas left in the gas bottle, and this is our shut-off valve. It has to be turned anti-clockwise a couple turns. I would recommend to leave it loose, don't turn it completely to one end or the other, and that way you can make sure that it's open. And now we can get back into the motorhome and see if there is gas flowing into the appliances. So the easiest way to check whether we have enough gas flow is if we light up one of the hobs. So that's what I'm going to do now. It does light up. I need to keep the button pressed for a few seconds. Gas flow is all alright. There's one very important thing that you need to do if you use any of the gas appliances inside. You need to make sure there is enough ventilation. So this kitchen window has to be open completely, and ideally there should be another window as well, so there is a draft that pulls out the gases. So now that we know there is gas flowing into the appliances, we should be able to light up the oven. So I'm going to open the door, and there are two options here. One is the main oven burner, which is the one at the bottom down there, and the stop burner here is for the grill. So let's light up the main lighter. Turn this to 200 degrees anti-clockwise, press the button, press the igniter. We should hear it clicking, and we need to keep this button pressed, otherwise the flame will go off. After a few seconds you can release it and it should stay on, and it does it. Here we can close the door and start cooking. Now the main difference is between that burner and the grill is the following. Switch this off. To light up the grill, we need to turn this clockwise and press the button, like completely clockwise. It lights up the top burners. Keep it pressed for a few seconds, then we can release it and it should stay on. Now here we cannot close the door completely. If you gently close it, there is a point where it stops, which is that. It has to stay open at least this much, otherwise the burner will shut off. So as you can see now, if I close the door, it cuts off the burner there. This is a safety feature, and if that happens, you need to press the button again, press the igniter, light up, and just make sure you only close the door up to this point. It stops there. As you can see here on the bottom, it does say that you cannot close the door. Right, this is about it. If there is gas supply to the hobs but there is no gas supply to the oven, then you need to open this drawer here and make sure that this top tap is facing this way, like that, like all the others are. This is the cutoff valve for the oven itself. If it's like that, that means there is no gas supplied into the oven. The only difference between the family and the luxury motorhome is that the location of these safety valves. In the luxury motorhome, it's located under the oven. In the family, it's located above the oven. That's all. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, please contact the customer support team and we'll be happy to answer anything else.